In this lesson, we will learn about the Make Group option, or, simply put, the way we group objects in SketchUp. Grouping objects is a very useful tool that allows you to better organize your project. I will show you some examples of grouping as well as how to edit these objects. In the building I have created, each door and window of the building is a grouped object. Notice that when I click on any of them, the frame along with the panels are selected. Also, if you want to check if an object belongs to a group, you can select it and check the Entity Info tab of the default tray. To understand the difference between an object that belongs to a group and one that does not, I will select the window, right-click on it, and select the Explode option. Now, as you can see from the Entity Info window, the window object consists of 109 separate objects. With the window selected, I will activate the Move tool, and then I will proceed to move it a little. Notice that while you are moving the object, the window's opening is also affected. This happens because the program treats the window as an object that belongs to the building since the window entities are not grouped. To make all the surfaces and edges of the window a group, I will activate the Select tool first, and then I will right-click on them. From the menu that appears, I will select the Make Group option. However, to edit a grouped object, you don't need to right-click and explode it first and then group it again. It's easier than that. You can just double-click on it directly and edit it. To exit group editing, simply click somewhere outside. In this example, I will put all the windows in one group and all the doors in another. Therefore, while holding down the Shift key, I will click and select all the windows of the building. To group them, I will right-click on one of them and select the Make Group option. Then, I will repeat the same process with the doors. First, I will select all the doors, and then I will right-click and select the Make Group option. At this point, I should mention that if I want to edit a specific window of the group, I have to double-click once to enter the first group and then double-click again. Now I can finally edit this particular window.